G'day and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're taking our delicious chicken schnitzel from the previous episode and turning it into a truly iconic dish that's heavily featured in Aussie pubs, chicken parmigiana, or simply chicken parmy. We'll need some perfectly crispy schnitzels ready to go. Try and keep the schnitzels slightly undercooked, as the chicken will continue to cook when we start to melt the cheese. Check out the longer video for hints and tips around crumbing and cooking your delicious schnitzels. Now we're going to layer on some incredible flavours. We'll start with some delicious prosciutto. You can also use regular ham, and bacon is great for a smoky twist, but that prosciutto makes for an extra special treat. I love the prosciutto version. Then we'll add a generous helping of my homemade napolisauce. And of course, no Parmigiana is complete without a generous topping of cheese. I use a combination of 3, Parmesan, mozzarella, and tasty cheddar. Some people prefer having the Napoli sauce down first before adding the cured meat and cheese. Have a play around and see what works best for you. Now we'll bake it until the cheese is melted and bubbly. You can even grill it further for a slightly charred finish. I start with the shelf lower down to fully melt the cheese before raising the shelf back up and continuing to toast for a crispy golden brown crust. And there you have it, a magnificent chicken parmigiana built upon our crispy schnitzel base. Serve it with a fresh salad, some pasta, or your favourite sides. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.